one thing that I want to tell is all of those who are buying this product is buying after seeing him. Majority of the persons may be buying after seeing him. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Deepak History. So today I have got a package from Beardo. Yeah guys, today we are going to do the unboxing and review of Beardo's Beard Growth Pro Kit. So guys, this is a new combo from Beardo. It includes all the beard growth essential products in one combo, that is the Beard Growth Pro Kit. So I bought it during a sale in Beardo website. So guys, I bought it from the Beardo website during the Mafia sale. I bought it for like 999 rupees, but the actual price of this package is 2200 rupees, but you guys can get it for 1400 rupees during weekend sales. So do check it in the Beardo website. For that price also, this is a very good combo. So without any delay, let's unbox it. So guys, I am the first to do the unboxing of the Beard Pro Kit in India. So for that, please give me a like, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel. I do genuine unboxings and reviews, so do subscribe the channel. So without any delay, let's unbox. So if you are planning to buy the Beardo's Beard Growth Pro Kit, then this will be the package in which you will be getting it. So let's unbox it. I have got my knife, so let's unbox and see the contents. So guys, now let's open the box. So here is the Beardo's Beard Growth Pro Kit, and you guys can see Hrithik Roshan. So this is basically a new combo from Beardo. It's good for the price, and here is the details of the content which we will get in the box. So let's take it out. So guys, now let's take out this box and keep the box aside. So here is the Beardo's Beard Grow Pro Kit, and it looks like a gift box. It's superb. And we also get the bill. Let me keep it to the side and focus on the Beardo's Beard Pro Kit. Okay, so guys, now let's look at the box. So the box looks awesome, and here it's mentioned Beardo. This side also Beardo logo is there. In the back it's mentioned which all contents are there. It has got a mustache growth roll-on of 8 ml and a beard activator, beard and hair growth oil of 50 ml, and the Irish Royal beard wash of 100 ml. And the price quoted here is 2095, but I got it for a price of 999 during the Mafia sale. So for the price, it's good. Even if you are getting for 1400 also, this combo is great. Okay, so now let's open it. So okay, here we get another box. Let me keep this one to the side. Okay, let's keep it there. So here is another box, and the presentation is great guys. It has got a texture over here. Superb presentation from Beardo. Nice. So now let's open it. Okay, wow, here is another paperwork. So here it's mentioned Beardo's Beard Growth Pro Kit. Okay, and the instructions are given like how to use it. It has got 3 steps. So this is basically a combo, and all the instructions are clearly mentioned in this. Wow, it's nice. Let's keep it over here and come to the actual product. So this is what we will get in the box. So inside the box we will get all the contents, and steps are also provided as to how to use these contents. So the step 1 is beard wash, step 2 is beard activator. This is actually a new product. They are selling it for 650 rupees. So if you are planning to buy the beard activator alone, it will cost you like 650 to 700 rupees, and the beard growth oil is sold for 550. So if you consider if you are buying it individually, then it will cost you much more amount as compared to this kit. In this kit I got all these products for 999. It's a steal price if you consider all these 4 products for 999. Okay, so in this box it's clearly mentioned like step 1 is the beard wash, step 2 is the beard activator, and step 3 is the beard and the mustache growth oil. Okay, so these are the steps, and also we have the instruction manual over here. So let's keep it to the side and let's keep it here. Okay, so guys, now let's take out the contents from the box. Here is the beard growth oil of 50 ml. It's also sold individually for a price of 550 rupees. Let's keep it over here. The next content that I am taking is the mustache growth roll on. Okay, so its price is also like 245. Let's keep it over here. And the last product is the beard activator. So let's take it out. Okay, so the box is empty as you guys can see. Let's keep it aside. And here is the beard activator of 0.5 mm. Okay, this is sold for the price of 750 rupees. So if you are buying it as a kit, then it will be much more saving for you than buying it individually. So this is the BEARDO'S beard activator of 0.5 mm. So let's keep it over here. So these are the total contents that you will get if you order the BEARDO'S beard growth pro kit. So guys, these are the 4 contents that you will get if you order the BEARDO'S beard grow pro kit. First one is the Beardo beard wash, the Irish Royal premium beard wash, 100 ml. Okay, the next one is the beard hair growth oil, 50 ml. Its price is 750 rupees. The beard wash price is like 350 rupees. So it will cost you like 1100 for these two if you are planning to buy it individually. Okay, other than that, next we get the beard activator. This is a new product from Beardo and the price quoted is 750 rupees. Okay, and this is the mustache growth roll on. The price is 245 rupees. So these are the contents that you will get in the BEARDO'S Grow Pro Kit. During the sale, I have also purchased a Beardo traveling case so that I can include all these accessories in my Beardo traveling pouch. The pouch looks awesome in quality and it has got a fine texture and the quality seems good. I can actually place all these accessories inside this even when I'm traveling. So great work from Beardo. So this traveling case is handy for all those who are taking these products whenever you are traveling. So this pouch will keep organized all the Beardo products. So very good product, and the price of this is like 650 rupees, but during the sale I purchased it for 350 rupees. So the quality seems great. I can also fold it like this. If I want to reduce the size of the bag, I can like keep it like this. Show you, it's actually magnetic. Okay, likewise I can do the same on the other side also. So very good travel pouch. Let's keep it to the side. So I don't want to remove the wrap and show it to you guys like how to use the beard wash. Each and everyone can use it. The instructions are given in this paperwork, and first what we need to do is we will have to use the beard wash. After that we will have to use the beard activator. Okay, detailed instructions are given in the paper. The next step is we'll have to then use the beard oil and the mustache growth roll on after using the beard activator. Okay, so these are the 3 steps that you will have to use. I will open and show the beard growth oil. Let's open it. And so this is the Beardo's growth oil. It is 50 ml packet that you are getting inside it, and this is the mustache growth roll on. I don't think I will have to do the unboxing. It looks like this. As you guys can see, these are the 4 products and this is how each of the product will look. Okay, So guys, the last product that I will had to unbox is the Beardo Beard Actuator. This is a new product, so I will unbox it and show. Okay, I have opened the box. Let me take it out. So inside it we'll get another box, and here it's mentioned Beard Actuator from Beardo. So this is actually a pouch, nice. And this is the derma roller that we will have to use. So let me take it out. So this is the actual derma roller that we get it with the Beardo Pro Kit. So here is the logo of Beardo. The quality seems excellent, guys. It's a very good quality derma roller that we are getting. So great work from Beardo, superb. So after using, we'll have to place it inside this, okay, and close it using the box. Wow, so very good presentation from Beardo. I actually liked all the 4 products that we got with the Beardo Pro Kit. And if you want to keep all these accessories, we can repack it in the box and close it by the box itself. Or if you want, you can purchase a Beardo traveling pouch if you want to carry all these accessories. One thing that I want to tell is, all of those who are buying this product is buying after seeing him. Majority of the persons may be buying after seeing him, and he is looking good with the beard, superb. We are also hoping that we will have a beard like him, yeah, and definitely you will have a superb look like him using the Beardo's Beard Growth Pro Kit. So I hope this video was useful. If you guys like this video, please give me a like and also subscribe to your channel if you're new to this channel. Hope we can see you in our next video. Bye guys.